Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information today. Today we're going to go over, I've had my dishwasher for a while and it doesn't quite seem to be working as good as it used to. Well, there's a couple things you can do before you actually have to call a technician out to find out why it's not working right. One is basic maintenance. So this is our Kitchenaid. Nice dishwasher. Obviously, this is brand new, so it might be a little cleaner than yours at home. But there's a couple things you can do. One, if you have hard water, you know you have hard water, you need to find a way to get a water softener in there to help it out. But we're going to go over the basic maintenance right now. So first of all, you take this out, get this out of the way, and now you have what is what's called a water filter. It's not a water filter like your water, but what it does, it basically gets the large chunks of stuff in your dishwasher out of the way so it can actually run cleaner water. This is what I'm talking about. This is your water filter. It twists and it comes out. Now you have two of them here. You've got this one and then you've got this one. This one, I should be able to look through it. You should be able to see clearly all the way around and through it. This is actually a clean filter. As these holes start to fill up, they start to allow less and less water through. You can just take a toothbrush or a dishwasher brush or water and just actually clean it up and take care of it. The second is this one. This is even finer. Okay. Now this, okay, is basically fine particles, not allowing fine particles through. So as you see, you should be able to see through this and you can see the inside little filter there. That needs to be clean. What happens is people end up with stuff that looks like this. If you look at this, you see all that? All of that stuff is not allowing water to go through. Less water means less pressure means less clean. If you do have something like this, there's a couple ways you can clean it. One, get yourself your little brush you use for your dishes or a toothbrush. Nothing real heavy, nothing real tough, because this is actually pretty light. So what you do is, like I said, just basically clean it. Obviously, I'm using my finger. But see, all that came out from just my finger. So you get there, you clean it out, and the cleaner it is, the more water flows through, the more water, the more pressure, the more clean they can do. Okay? So this is one thing you can do. Now also, they have what's called dishwasher cleaner. Okay? So what I mean by that is, make sure that goes back in. Okay? And make sure this actually goes back in. And it'll lock in. And if you'll see, you've got little arrows that will line up. That's how you know it's in place. And two, you shouldn't be able to lift it up. If you put it in, you can lift it up. It's not in right. Take care of it. Another thing you do is also something like, not necessarily fresh, but the fresh is what I had on hand, is a dishwasher cleaner. This will actually get off soap scum, calcium, a lot of buildup that gets on your machine over time of use. This is also very good. I would recommend doing either and or both. Depends on you, but definitely making sure this is clear. This should do a decent job of cleaning it, but you still may have to come in here and clean this out manually, okay? It's pretty easy, pretty basic, but it's a good step for you to maintain your dishwasher, help keep it clean, so it'll help keeping your dishes clean. So don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel. You all folks come back for some more wonderful information. Have a good day.